Now we reach the famous question, probably the most searched question around this topic. And honestly, this is one of the questions that creates a lot of confusion for companies and SOLIDWORKS users. What is the difference between SOLIDWORKS and 3DEXPERIENCE? But after what we explained, I think the answer is now much easier. We are not comparing two products doing the same job. 3DEXPERIENCE is a platform. SOLIDWORKS is one of the brands inside the SOSystem portfolio. So SOLIDWORKS is not against 3DEXPERIENCE, and 3DEXPERIENCE is not simply replacing SOLIDWORKS. The better way to ask the question is, how can I use SOLIDWORKS with the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? Or what SOLIDWORKS tools, roles, and apps are available on the platform? And by the way, the same logic could be applied to CATIA as well. You can ask, what is CATIA as a design tool and what are CATIA related roles on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? Same idea. The platform is the environment, the brand is the solution, and the roles are how users access the apps and capabilities they need. So from this point, don't think about it as SOLIDWORKS versus 3DEXPERIENCE. Think about it as which roles and tools available on 3DEXPERIENCE platform for SOLIDWORKS users.